Some beaches hide a strange ocean trick. Underwater seagrass can accidentally vacuum up our plastic trash. Strands sway in the current like green fingers, but they also grab microplastics, which means the plants bundle the particles into little fiber balls called Neptune balls. The balls roll away with the waves, so tons of plastic get pushed back to shore without anyone noticing. But the funny twist is the seagrass never meant to help us. It just tangles anything that floats. And that's why this humble plant quietly becomes an ocean janitor. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.